Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shopnil Facts, Education and Art and Craft. These days there was a lot of technical issues and there was a screen recorder problem, so I couldn't upload these number system videos. But today all the screen recorder problems are fixed, and I fixed it because I am not presenting it from my PowerPoint. I am presenting it from my gallery because when I am presenting to PowerPoint the screen recorder is getting stopped. So anyways, today I am going to discuss with you all about fractions. So without any further ado, let's get started. Fractions. So what are fractions? What do you think as a fraction as a teacher? Think yourself. So fractions are a part of a whole. See here I have given 1 by 5. Here I have drawn a circle and I have divided it into 5 parts. And each part is representing 1 by 5. I have colored one part, see, in dark blue. And I have written 1 and the total number of parts, that is 5. So you will represent fraction as number of shaded parts by the total number of parts. Here similarly 1 to 100, see, in this circle I have divided this circle into 100 parts, though it is not possible, it is actually from Google. I have divided this circle into 100 parts and I have colored one part. See here, very thin, and this is 1 by 100. Now parts of a fraction. As you can see here, there are two parts of a fraction. They are known as numerator and the denominator. See here, this is the fraction formula. Fractions equal to numerator by denominator. So here I have taken an example, 6 by 13. Here 6 is the numerator and 13 is the denominator. I am giving you a homework question, that is 12 by 13. No, 12 by 17. Okay. So find the numerator and denominator and write me in the comment section below. Okay. Now let's move on to next. So types of fractions. So fractions can be classified as, see this. It can be classified as based on same or different denominator, and it can be classified as big or small numerator and denominator and integral part. This means that if the denominator is same, it is known as one type of fraction, and if the denominator is different, it is known as other type of fraction. And based on big or small numerator and denominator and integral part, this means that if fraction has a big numerator than denominator or small numerator than denominator, or it has a whole number in it, it is classified based on that. So first let's see the first classification. See, based on same or different denominators. Based on same and different denominators, fractions can be classified into two types. See here I have given a flow chart. I have written here like fractions and unlike fractions. So these are the two types of fractions based on same or different denominators. Let's see each one of them in detail. See here, like fractions. Fractions which have same denominator are called like fractions. Obviously, see in this example I have taken 1 by 4, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4. See here, all the denominators are 4. See here I have written same denominators and see the shaded parts. Though the numerators are different, 1, 2 and 3, but the denominators are same. As the denominators are same, so they are like fractions. Now let's see unlike fractions. See, fractions which has different denominators are known as unlike fractions. Obviously, as you can see in this example, I have 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. See here the denominators are different, 2, 3 and 4, they are not equal, because in this previous case, see here 4, 4 and 4 are equal. You might be knowing it because when you were childhood. Anyways, numerators are also different and denominators are also different. So they are known as unlike fractions. See the shaded parts? They are also different. Now let's see conversion of unlike fractions to like fractions. See here 5 by 6, 1 by 3. LCM is 6. So 5 by 6 into 1 by 1, it gives 5 by 6. And 1 by 3 into 2 by, 1 by 3 into 2 by 2, that is 2 by 6. See here the denominators are 6. And LCM, you know, I have explained it in my previous videos. I will give the link of all the parts in the description. Okay. So after the result, I get 5 by 6 and 2 by 7. Sorry, it will be 6. It is a writing mistake. Now 1 by 2 and 1 by 3. What is the LCM? LCM is 6. So 1 by 2 into 3 by 3, that is 3 by 6. And 1 by 3 into 2 by 2, that is 2 by 6. So as you can see, the result is 3 by 6 and 2 by 6. I hope you have understood this. Now let's see based on big or small numerator and denominator and the integral part. So based on this, fractions can be classified into 3 types: proper fractions, improper fractions and mixed fractions. It will be improper, sorry for writing improper. Anyways, let's look at each one of them in detail. First one is proper fractions. Fractions which has numerator less than the denominator are known as proper fractions. See, obviously, as you can see in this figure, here it is 2 by 5 and I have colored 2 parts, and this is a proper fraction. And this is improper fraction. As the name suggests, that is improper. It is not proper. Have you understood this? So, fractions which has numerator bigger than the denominator are called improper fractions. See here, it is 7 by 3. Here I have taken 3 rectangles and each rectangle is divided into 3 parts and I have colored 7. See this? It is 7 by 3. Though it seems 7 by 9, but it is actually 7 by 3 because I have split it into 3 parts and this is each one is a rectangle. That's why. Now let's see mixed fractions. Fractions which have an integral part and a proper fraction, it is known as a mixed fraction. You know the proper fraction, right? See, this is 2 by 5. Smaller numerator by bigger denominator. So this is mixed fraction. It has an integral part and a proper fraction. That is 2 1 by 3. See, I have taken the same example. So as you can see, these two shaded parts are same, right? Why? Because 7 by 3 and 2 1 by 3 are equal. Because see, here is 2 whole parts are shaded and in the third rectangle only 1/3 of it is shaded. So 2 1 by 3. Here it is also the same and here I have split it into 3 rectangles. So you might be wondering how to convert improper fractions to mixed fractions or vice versa. Vice versa means the opposite. Okay, anyways. So this is the parts of mixed fraction. See, here 2 is the integral part. This is the previous example I have taken. Here 2 is the integral part, 1 is the numerator, 3 is the denominator, and whole 1 by 3, which means total 1 by 3 is proper fraction, and 2 1 by 3 total, it is also total known as mixed fraction. Obviously, this is the parts of mixed fraction. Now, conversion of improper fractions to mixed fraction. See, as I was saying, how to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction? This is how you do it. See, 7 by 2. 2, you will do it in the long division method. See, write 7, draw a box and write 2. Now, think about a number. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. You will count the tables of the denominator until it matches with it, or it will be a number before 7. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So 6, it is closer to 7, right? So 6, and I have taken a carryover as 3. When I subtract, I am getting 1. So you will write it like this. The quotient in the integral part, the remainder in the numerator, and this denominator remains the same. So in the answer I am getting 3 1 by 2. Now let's see the second one. That is 53 by 6. Now write 6 here. Now count the tables of 6. You get 6 8s are 48. Now subtract it. 53 minus 48. You get 5, right? Now as I have said in the previous example, you will do the same as it is. So you will write the quotient as integral part remainder as the numerator and denominator will be the same. So at the result I will get 8 5/6. Now next is conversion of mixed fractions to improper fraction. So this is the first one example. So 2 and a half. How to convert this? 2 into 2 in bracket plus 1 by 2 you will write. This is the formula. So here you will take the denominator and the numerator. You will multiply the denominator and the integral part first. After multiplying, you will add the numerator and you will log the denominator as it is. See, here I have kept 2. Add the numerator, then the result you will get is an improper fraction. See, 2 into 2 in bracket plus 1, I get 4 plus 1 by 2, that is 5/2. 2 2s are 4, you know, and 4 plus 1 is 5. Let's see the next example. I can convert it into decimals also. When I will move on to decimals, I will explain that. I am explaining this before rational numbers because you need to have concepts of fractions and decimals to understand rational numbers, and even integers is also related to rational numbers. So let's see the second example. Okay, I am talking about rational numbers. See these numbers 7/2, 53/6, they are known as rational numbers, but 3 1/2, 8 5/6 are not rational numbers. So you might be wondering why. Because rational numbers can only be represented as p by q, where q cannot be 0, and it cannot be represented as an integral part, though you may see in exams that it is given an integral part, but it is just to make you confusion. When I will explain rational numbers, I will explain this in detail. Now let's say 6 3/9. 6 into 9 in bracket plus 3, the previous method itself, by 9, you will get 57/9. See, 9 6 is 54 plus 3 55, 56 and 57. So it is 57/9. And I have given here you a flow chart for your better understanding. See, fractions can be classified based on same or different denominators and based on big or small numerator or denominator or integral part. So, based on same or different denominators, fractions can be classified as like fractions and unlike fractions, and based on big or small numerator or denominator or integral part, fractions can be classified as proper fractions, improper fractions, and mixed fractions. So, here we came to the end of this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment in my channel. That will be all for today. Thank you.